Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Ben from Flow Brackets, and today we've got in this beautiful Lexus IS500, and I'm going to be showing you how to remove this OEM plinth with our miniature replacement part. It is a two-part mounting solution. That means that you need a miniature plinth and a matching number plate bracket to get rid of this ugly fat box. Let's get into it. Now, it'd be good to mention that at the time that we're filming this video, this is an imported IS500 and it comes with a JDM plinth that we're removing, and we have designed a part specifically for that. We're hoping that this miniature plinth also fits the Australian delivered models and all of the IS range with the F Sport grille. But if you're ever in doubt when you're watching this video, reach out to us at flowbrackets.com.au and we can tell you if this part does fit your car or we've designed a whole different part just for the other IS girls. Let's get into it. So installation is pretty simple. We're just going to take off this number plate here, and then we'll get access to the two screws holding on the plinth. The plinth will drop out, and then we can put our miniature part into the grille. Using the same factory holes, we'll supply you with two new screws that will mount it on. After that, our number plate bracket can go on and you'll get a nice floating look. So we're going to be supplying you with these new black stainless screws that you can use to bolt on our plinth to the same OEM hole. So now that we've installed the miniature plinth, was just pretty easy, just two screws. Let me explain a little bit further. So our miniature plinth can't be bought on its own or separately because it's part of a two-part mounting solution. And that means that you need to pair it up with a number plate bracket that matches the style and size of your number plate. Once you do that, you can get that bracket and bolt it on. So for example, if you had slimlines, you get the slimline bracket. If you had Euros, you get the Euro bracket. If you had Heritage, you get the Heritage bracket. If you had a standard, then go the standard bracket. If you had traditional plates in New South Wales, you grab the traditional black bracket. 3 to 4 character slimline, we have a bracket for that as well. And also signature plates. If you have signature plates, grab the signature bracket. And I'll show you why we've sort of miniaturized the plinth. It's so that we can accommodate for the small plates in Australia. So this will go on to there, and then our signature plate can clip on, and you won't see any excess material. It will just be your number plate floating on the grille. I'll show you a few examples and we'll get into it. So the last plate that I'm going to show you today is the customer's plate. It's a slimline Victorian plate which measures 372 mil by 100 mil tall, which is also the most common number plate in Australia. And the bracket that you'll need for that is called the SL2. But before you check out with the miniature plinth and a matching number plate bracket, be sure to check out our range of optional accessories, part of our ecosystem. This customer here has opted for some security screws to go on the 4 corners. It's a bit of an anti-theft deterrent so that people can't steal your number plate, or it's not as easy for people to steal your number plate. We also provide you with a security key so that you can open and close it. He's also opted for some blanking screws so that we can blank out the 2 open holes so that when you do wash the car, water doesn't splash through the back and into the covers, because he will also be running kingpin covers, which is adaptable with all of our brackets. Our brackets are also compatible with kingpin and Ultrex number plate covers. And that's the best way to get floating number plates onto an IS500. It's going to be so much better than this oversized OEM plinth. Go and have a look at your car and see how much better you can get it to look with a floating style. So just remember, if you want to complete this look, you need 2 parts because it is a 2-part mounting solution. You need the miniature plinth, which is car specific, and a number plate bracket, which is number plate specific. And these 2 parts make this really clean look. Now, again, as I mentioned earlier before, we have tested our plinth on a IS500, which is an imported car within Japanese style plinth. We will be testing it onto the other IS range in the F Sport grille So if you are watching this video at this time and you do have an IS 350 F Sport or 300 F Sport, reach out to us and we can tell you if this plinth fits, or we can redirect you to the correct part. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.